Does the idea of putting videos on YouTube for your business fill you with terror? I get it. I was the same way. But had I not gotten over it, not only would I not be talking to you right now, of course, but I also wouldn't even have a business. With video, it feels like so many things can go wrong. And if you're like me, there's probably some things about your appearance that you're self-conscious about, right? Now, please don't pause this video and start looking for all of my flaws. I'll tell you the one that bothers me the most here in just a minute. By the way, if we don't know each other, my name is Jerry Potter. Yes, it rhymes with the boy wizard. And video is everywhere, right? The entire adult population pretty much has an HD video camera in our pockets at all times. So it seems like making videos should feel normal and natural. But here's one of the main reasons I think it's not. If you open any feed, it can feel like every single person there is either a professional video editor or a supermodel or both. And so as business owners, how are we supposed to feel confident when we're constantly surrounded by that? If you feel like you're not good enough to make videos, not good looking enough to make videos, not cool enough to make videos, let me make one thing abundantly clear, okay? I clean up okay, but look at this picture. This is who I truly am. I'm a 40-something dorky dad who generally wears superhero t-shirts. That hat I'm wearing is actually available on Amazon, and the reviews say great for remaining celibate, okay? That's who I am. And if you think about the people dancing on social media, if I tried to dance on TikTok, I would look like a baby giraffe trying to walk for the first time. So I am standing here as proof you do not need to be cool to make videos online. But pushing that aside, let's talk about 5 reasons why video is scary and how to get over them. And if I get through all 5 and I didn't cover yours, let me know in the comments so we can talk about it there. First fear I hear a lot about making videos is, I won't look good on camera. All right, here we go. You want to hear my weird thing? One of my eyes is bigger than the other one. And I didn't notice it until I started trying to make YouTube videos. Don't stare at me now. Pause it and look later if you want. But I know that was in my head. Hopefully you're not watching this right now going, well, I'm not going to learn from him because one of his eyes is bigger than the other one. So how do we look good on camera? Or more specifically, how do we feel more like we look good on camera? Number 1, use natural light. Everybody looks their best in natural light. Number 2, wear things that you feel great in. So that could be a certain outfit. It might be sunglasses, different things like that. Nothing wrong with putting on the thing that you're gonna feel confident in. Number 3, wear makeup. I'm talking to you, dudes, if it helps you feel more confident on camera. Now I've got better lights and I'm not worried about it as much as when I started, but when I started this YouTube channel, I absolutely had makeup on in my videos. But the best way to feel like you look great on camera is to talk about what you're good at. Talk about the things you can help people with, and nobody will care what you look like. Second big fear about making videos is, wow, what if nobody watches? Or the related one, what if everybody watches? So first, what if nobody watches? Well, let me say this. Somebody will watch, okay? And I want to encourage you to think about that one person that you're making the video for. And then if you get 5 views, imagine 5 people showing up to hear what you had to say. Amazing. And if there are 5 people out there that could benefit from your knowledge, from your expertise, or even just getting to know your personality, we can't let our insecurities deny that person from getting the help that they want or need. And what if everybody watches? Well, first of all, whoever they are that we're worried about seeing our videos, they don't care as much as we think that they do. And more importantly, who cares what they think? I know that's easy to say as a dismissive phrase, but these videos are for you and the people that you can help. Third reason making videos for our business can feel real scary is the tech can seem hard. Here's what you do. Keep it simple. Literally, film with your phone, no external microphone. The technology has gotten so good that that will be enough. Edit using a text-based editor like Descript, where you just edit the transcript and it edits the video to match, or don't edit at all. Perfection doesn't exist. And I'll tell you what, if you were able to make a perfect video, nobody can relate to your perfection. Fourth reason I hear from my clients about why videos can be scary is I don't know what to talk about. We're going to keep this one super simple. Answer questions, solve problems. Look at your industry, go online to a site like answerthepublic.com, find out what questions people are asking about these things that you know about, that you have the knowledge for, and just talk about those in your videos, 1 question per video. The 5th reason video can be scary for us is, what if somebody leaves a hateful comment? What if I get trolled? I've been on YouTube for over 7 years. I've been grateful enough to have over 150,000 subscribers, but all along the way, I've definitely got those hateful comments. Delete them, ignore them, move on. One thing I've noticed over years working in the entertainment industry and now doing this on YouTube is hurt people hurt people. A lot of the times, if somebody leaves you a mean comment, you should be just momentarily more concerned about, what are they struggling with in their life? And then just move on. It's not about you. Was this helpful for you? If it was, will you do me a favor and leave a comment letting me know that you'd like to see more videos like this? And if you're shy, you can just hit that like button, but I would love to chat with you in the comments.